let down, let down, meaning to disappoint someone. Example, I felt let down when I didn't win the race. I felt let down when I didn't win the race. Bring up, bring up, meaning to mention something. Example, she is still very sad about her sister's death, so don't bring it up. She is still very sad about her sister's death, so don't bring it up. Get out, get out, meaning to escape from a place or situation. Example, the cat managed to get out of the house. The cat managed to get out of the house. Find out, meaning to discover. Example, he find out a new way to travel between cities. He find out a new way to travel between cities. Get along, meaning to have a good relationship. Example, they didn't get along at first, but now they are good friends. They didn't get along at first, but now they are good friends. Let in, meaning to allow someone to enter a place. Example, let me in please. It's too cold out here. Let me in please. It's too cold out here. Get back, meaning to return a place after being away. Example, when did you get back from your vacation? When did you get back from your vacation? Hang on, meaning to wait for a short period of time. Example, can you hang on for a minute? Can you hang on for a minute? Get down, meaning to move something or somebody, or to a lower position. Example, please get down from the ladder before you fall. Please get down from the ladder before you fall. Kick out, meaning to forcefully tell someone to leave a place. Example, you kick me out from this house. You kick me out from this house.